myself. I have no idea what I want.
Are you gonna record yourself trying to figure out what you want?
Yes, I'm gonna figure out how to record myself. We recorded ourselves trying to figure out how the heck to turn off the night vision.
Oh my god.
It's like, how do you turn this thing off night vision?
Oh, on the camera. Oh, you have
It
it
wasn't
on the camera?
not this one. It was the other one.
Oh, that's cool.
Casey's recording what she wants to eat, and she has no idea.
Yeah, what's it look like?
It's quite epic. Your camera shy.
Remember you said you were gonna put it inside the vending.
Dude, yes! Well, I figured out what I want.
I didn't see it there. Some chips. You did? Some chips. Peppercorn ranch.
I'll just get Doritos. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Yes, the wrong one's in the hall. Which one are you doing? The Doritos.
That's really nice.
You should make that the ending of your video. The Doritos. The end.
Yeah.
You know, remember that part I showed you where my brother hit someone in the face with a basketball?
Oh,
I
yeah.
made that the ending.
Oh, nice. Yes, we are beyond retarded.